Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the second card of the tarot card deck. That is Magician. The Magician is number 1. It is the first prime number which stands for primal energy, oneness with divine spirit of God. Its astrological sign is Mercury, which represents communication. Its element is air. The chakra is palm chakra. See, for the fool we have seen it was the crown chakra. For a magician it is the palm chakra. It is denoted by Hebrew letter Bet. Entry of life pathway. Its position is second. First was Fool. Now, as we know that the card of the Magician follows the number 0, that is a card of the Fool. The Fool has collected all the 4 elements in his bundle which he used to carry. Now, which are these? Again, we repeat: Pentacle, Cup, Swords, and Wind. It denotes, actually, it represents 4 elements: earth, water, fire, and air. This is the card of the inventor. The Fool was the beginner, and the Magician is the inventor. Self-employed, entrepreneur. See, it's a very positive card. When we see the card, you will see the whole card is full of brightness, which is the positive or the optimistic card, which shows that please use your skill optimally so that you can capitalize your strength and move forward. Now, I'll show you this in the picture. I've already mentioned that every picture in the tarot card has its own meaning, the color and the description. Now, in the picture, first you see the symbol of infinity. See, on his head, there is a symbol of infinity, right? Now, this symbol is to balance or renewal. Infinity is the symbol for balance or renewal. There is a red clock. You see the red clock he is wearing. As you know now, red clock is for what? Yeah, it's for energy and action. There is a handband. On the head he has worn some band. Now, this shows what? This shows the mind and intention to manifest desire. Whatever you desire, go and grab it. This is shown by the headband. Now, if you see on the west, there is a serpent girdle. It is a symbol of the planet Mercury. Now, next, you see down the base, there are the roses, red roses. As you know, the roses are the symbol of love. There are white lilies also. White lilies is for the truth of the purpose. In this way, the whole card, if you see, is very bright. And therefore, in reading, this is an optimistic or very positive card. As I have told you earlier, when we read the card in context with the question which the querent asks, suppose he asks in relation to who, and if the card of the Magician appears, that means that he is going to sell the house or redecorate the house. Next, suppose some person wants to know about the relationship. Then if the person is single, is not in relation with anyone, then definitely his love is coming. And if he already is in somebody's relationship, then the bond will be more and more deeper. More and more understanding will be between them. If the question is regarding career and money, then there is a new beginning, new employment, or maybe inspired leadership. So, in this way, friends, all cards had its own meaning. That is the reason when you come for the tarot card reading, according to the questions, we analyze the card and gives you the meaning of the card. That is the reading which we make. Till now we have completed 2 cards. The first video was that of the introduction to tarot, that is, what is tarot card reading. Second video was that of Fool, number 0. The third video is number 1, Magician. I'm sure you would like this video. Thank you for listening to me. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be definitely for the 3rd card of the major arcana. If you like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you come to know when my new lectures are released. Share with your friends and family and follow my other socials. The link is given in the description box. Thank you very much. Have a good day.